Turn up the heat because we're myth busting oven technology with ICE, industrial coating equipment. Owner Richard Ludwig, a 30-year veteran expert, is my special guest and here to cover all the questions you have about ovens, building them, buying them, heating them, and more. We also discuss why there's such a low inventory of used ovens and related equipment on the market today. And we touch on the problems facing variable substrate powder coating like wood and MDF, a new industry some of you may not have heard of. It's taken about a year to get him scheduled. Let's light it up. Get ready to level up your powder coater game.